This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make corn chowder Hawaiian style, only ways. Start by prepping corn, bacon, onion, garlic, potatoes, and coconut milk so everything cooks smoothly. I'll walk you through browning the bacon, building the flavor base, simmering until potatoes are tender, and finishing with coconut milk and fresh herbs for brightness. Follow my easy tips for texture and seasoning to get a rich, island-inspired chowder. Gather fresh corn or frozen kernels, coconut milk, yellow onion, garlic, waxy potatoes, bacon, chicken stock, butter, and seasonings. Measure ingredients so cooking steps are predictable and timing stays tight. I recommend chopping items to uniform sizes for even cooking and to speed up prep. Keep lemon or lime on hand to brighten the finished chowder, and some green onions or cilantro for a fresh garnish before serving. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and give it a like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after grocery runs or farmers market visits. It pairs surprisingly well with island vibes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and snag one if you like the idea. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by rendering bacon until crisp and set pieces aside, leaving rendered fat in the pot for flavor. Sauté onion and garlic in that fat, then add diced potatoes, corn, and stock, simmering until potatoes are tender. Return bacon, stir in coconut milk off high heat to avoid splitting, then balance with salt, pepper, and lime juice. Finish with chopped herbs and let the chowder rest briefly before serving for best flavor melding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.